I come here, I think Dhaka may be very poor. This is my imagine. But when I come here, wow, Dhaka really is a developing country, and I think there's big room for development.
Dhaka already is nice, just we also want to develop the market here very well. And in future, we want to take part in much more the exhibition and develop the market.
I think it's very important for us to come here to show our products to all of the customers in Bangladesh.
We already booked the store. Today we booked the store of next year.